Hey guys, Proper English here. So I've been gone for about 2 weeks, but I'm back, and while I was gone, I managed to get a decent amount of work done on the GPU project. You can see I'm starting to accumulate a bunch of different components around this plot over here. And so I thought that today we'd take a look at some of the things that I've been working on. Now we're going to start with what is probably the least complete out of the things I've been working on, but it's pretty cool. So this is a data transfer system using something called Serial, and we'll learn more about this in a later video, but for now, what you need to know is I'm taking a bunch of data over here and transferring it into some memory over here, and we can watch that happen. So let's come over here, press this button, and watch this thing roll. And there we go. So that is pretty cool. This is going to be critical to the GPU because I'm going to be moving tons of data. And now what's also critical is being able to save this data really fast. And so that's something else that I've been working on. Alright, so what I've got over here is a big block of what I'm calling HT RAM. The HT stands for high throughput. This is special RAM that I've designed specifically for the GPU because, like I said, with the GPU, we need to handle large amounts of data very quickly. Okay, so when I move data, I want to be able to save it really fast. So I've set this up so that I can save an entire image at once. Okay, so an image will get saved to one of the layers over here. This is 64 bytes of RAM. This is enough for 8 images. Alright, so the idea is I've got this tower over here to render an image. This is where all of the calculations occur. We'll take a look at this in a short bit. And so once an image is rendered, I'll use this serial transfer system to move that data over to some registers. Okay, and then I can save the image into a layer of this memory. Okay, so this RAM over here. Now, this particular RAM bank is designed to output the entire image on top. So this will run directly to a screen. There'll be some other stuff in here too to manipulate the image, maybe run a game or something. But basically, this is the working memory for the GPU. Now, I'm going to need a lot of other memory, so I've also designed another type of cell that's very similar to this, but instead of outputting on top, it outputs on the side in a serial fashion, and that'll just be for storing images that I'm not using at that particular time. So I'm really happy with the way this memory came out. It's super compact, super fast, I love it. Alright, so I mentioned that I've got this rendering tower over here, and what this thing does is it takes a description of an image, which is just a small piece of data, very basic information, and it uses that to generate the image. So I've got a box drawer over here. This is a solid state version of my old box drawer, which this thing is pretty cool. I'm really happy with the way this one came out. Kept it in the same space, and yeah, this thing rocks. I'm going to have 2 line drawers in this thing, then a combined ellipse circle drawer. So yeah, this thing is going to be pretty sweet. I'm really excited to have this stuff coming together, and I hope you guys are looking forward to seeing the videos on all of these components because there are a lot of interesting concepts, and as I'm trying to solve some of the problems that show up while building this GPU and moving all of this data, I'm coming up with some pretty neat stuff. So we've got a lot to go through, and hopefully you guys are excited about it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.